Alright, just gonna do kind of an easy flight. Just kind of wanted to give you guys a understanding of the range you can expect with HDZero in a park like this. Take it easy tonight. You ever had one of those days where it seems like you just can't get the sticks right? Yeah. That's today for me. As you can see, you get some breakup. I'm only running 200 milliwatt RaceV2 Ethix. Really helps when you try to keep your head the right direction too. I'm not good at it. That's the worst, right over back in here. You got that building and all this. See, I'm sitting all the way over here. So see, I got this big building here. All these trees. All back over here. So I mean, I don't ever normally freestyle this far away when I'm flying, just because I don't like to go and walk and get it, because unlike most of you guys, I crash. So I just like to try to keep it close, and I don't have to go as far. Go back over here. Even come back over here. See, this is straight behind me back over here. I've never been over here. Let's go see what this does. Might get ugly. Heck. Not bad at all. Not gonna lie, I flinched on that one. Like I said, just wanted to kind of give you an idea what to expect out of the range penetration. A lot of people doing freestyle like this are running the freestyle 1 watt VTX. I'm just running a RaceV2 with 200 milliwatts, and man, honestly, it does great. Hope you enjoyed.